Master your IELTS score. Identifying areas for improvement. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll focus on an essential aspect of your IELTS journey: post-test reflection. Specifically, we'll explore how you can identify areas for improvement. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot your weaknesses, turn them into strengths, and boost your IELTS score. After taking the IELTS, it's not just about waiting for the results. It's about taking a step back and reflecting. Why? Because this reflection process is what will enable you to see where you've shown and where you might need a little polish. Remember, every mistake is a learning opportunity. By pinpointing your weaknesses, you're setting the stage for your future successes. To understand areas for improvement, we need to break down the IELTS into its 4 main components. 1. Listening. Did you find it hard to follow conversations? Were there specific accents that were challenging? 2. Reading. Were there certain types of texts or questions that were more difficult? For instance, did you struggle with true, false, not given questions? 3. Writing. Did you run out of time? Were there topics that you felt unprepared for? 4. Speaking. Were there questions that caught you off guard? Did you find yourself pausing too often? By assessing your performance in each of these sections individually, you can zone in on specific areas that need attention. If you took a practice test or the real IELTS in a center, gather feedback wherever possible. 1. Instructors, examiners. If you attended a preparation course, ask your instructors for feedback. They might have insights that you didn't notice. 2. Self-assessment. Listen to recordings of your speaking test. Are there obvious mistakes or areas of hesitation? 3. Peers. Sometimes, a fellow test taker might provide valuable input. They are in the same boat and might have noticed something you missed. Feedback is like gold. Use it wisely to refine your skills. Once you've identified areas for improvement, it's action time. 1. Focused practice. Instead of practicing all sections equally, focus more on your weak areas. For instance, if you struggled with the listening section, spend extra hours listening to different English accents. 2. Set mini goals. For instance, if you struggled with timing in the writing section, practice completing essays within the set time limit. 3. Seek help. If there's a persistent issue, consider getting a tutor or joining a study group. Remember, the idea is not just to practice, but to practice smartly. Thank you for joining us today. Identifying areas for improvement isn't about feeling down about mistakes. It's about using those mistakes as stepping stones for your success. We hope this video guides you closer to your desired IELTS score. Keep learning, stay positive, and until next time, happy studying.